Yeah, good evening, my people. So, you hope you had a nice day. Another powerful indicator we'll be talking about this evening is average true range (ATR). ATR. So, how do you add the ATR? Remember, I told you that if you want to add your indicators on MT4, you click that point where the F is, and you come to that main chart. You click on main chart, and you look for what ATR. Can you see it? ATR, which is average true range. You click it. So just leave the settings like that. But if you like, you can change the color. And click done. So because I have put it there before, that was why it is showing twice. Is that okay now? So I want to remove one now. I want to remove one from there. I'll click on this delete sign. It is going to put box like this beside the two. Then I'll pick one. I'll delete the other one. I've deleted one. I go back to my chart. Can you see that? So now, even from here, I don't even need to explain anything at all. You should have gotten what the ATR is talking about here. Looking at the candlestick, like I told you, I said those black, black, white things you're saying, we call them candlestick or we call them prices. So some may be showing green and red. Green, red is still they are the same. It's just difference of color. So, and I also told you that those candlestick you are seeing, the white it represents bullish buying, while the red represents BS selling. You understand? Now, if you look at the average true range here, let me go back. Now watch. When the market was going up, what happened? You see the average true range also moving up, but when the market is coming down, it will also be coming down. Can you see it? It's moving in a sinusoidal manner, or how do they call it? So you can see the way the thing is moving, right? As the market is going up, it will be telling you that the market is going up, and as the market is coming down, it also will be coming down. Can you see that? Look at those candlesticks, those prices. As the prices are going up, it also will be going up, and as the candlesticks are coming down, it also will be coming down. Hope you are seeing it. You can see it. Can you see it? Can you see it? As the prices are going up, also going up. Prices are coming down, also coming down. Can you see it? Now, look at where it is up now. It's up. He also has pointed what up. So when the candlestick now start coming down again, it also will start coming down. So that is just the use of ATR. Is that taken? So I will send the YouTube video to you. I don't want to send it to you straight because of data. So I like uploading it on my own channel first before sending it to you. So I will send it right away now.